Hello, this is David Emmanuel, and this is my project website on climate change. I'm going to be talking about what causes climate change. First of all, climate change is a long-term effect on the Earth's average temperatures. You can also link this to the infamous global warming. Since the 19th century, the world is approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius hotter now than it was then. Now moving on to what causes climate change, the Milankovitch cycle. So here's a diagram of it. The Milankovitch cycles are simply put as the changes in the Earth's orbit. This affects how far the Earth is away from the sun, forming an oval-shaped orbit. And when it gets closer, it's forming a circle-shaped orbit, like you can see here. When it makes an oval-shaped orbit, it's furthest away from the sun. So that can also alter how much sunlight the Earth gets from that, making depending on how much sunlight it gets, making it colder or hotter. This process is caused by the gravitational pull by Saturn and Jupiter. This is a long-term process that occurs every 100,000 years. The albedo effect. This is the process of reflecting sunlight. White surfaces reflect 90% of the sunlight, like ice. You can see in the diagram, it reflects sunlight. And this is one of the reasons why the poles that are filled with white snow and ice reflects sunlight. Dark surfaces like the water and rainforest will absorb most of the sunlight. For the rainforest, it will give it more of a tropical and warm temperature. Ways this can affect the climate are aided by volcanic eruptions. Once a volcano erupts, tons of smoke and ash will reflect off the smoke plumes, preventing sunlight from reaching the Earth and making the area quite cold. This process done on a global scale might result in an ice age. How can we as young people tackle the problem of climate change? I've put a link down there which leads to a video on YouTube on how young people can help solve the climate crisis. Thank you for listening to my presentation.